Hi guys, hello, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Cherono Faith Mutai. I go by that on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for appreciating what I do. Guys, continue subscribing, telling your friends to subscribe so that we can drop more and more content. So yeah, I'm back again with another video kama kawaida. And like I never left. I think that will be my intro. Don't worry, this has been my kitamba of the night. Haijatoka at least leo, but I think I can now remove it. Yeah guys, by the way, I was wishing to buy a ring light just to keep you on track, or rather to inform you.
Mama.
Yes?
Mama.
Sorry. Nili buy ring light, guys. It's not like a big size, but at least sorry baba. But at least nimenunua. So one thing at a time, or one step at a time. Miles tulia kidogo. Bu sorry guys.
Mama.
A minute.
Mama. Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Ndio hiyo nimekuwekea. As I was saying, guys. Dudu. Sorry. Okay. Niko nasema guys, I've been wanting to buy a ring light. It's not really the best, but I'm happy for a milestone, or rather my milestones like yenye at least ninafanya. Thank you baby. Like yenye at least I'm taking. It may not be the best, or rather but niko somewhere. Sindio? So it's like achieving one thing at a time. Yeah. So today guys, the video about today, I really need to do a lot. Not really a lot. It's like I always have a lot to do. Sindio? I need to confirm my camera, by the way. Yeah, it's been working so well. And the reason why I keep on saying watch and check camera is because naona hii simu yangu. I know I'm not alone. Tuko wengi wenye we bought phones and we are still having them for like 4-3 years. So this mine I bought it around 2021. Yeah, 21 March. Hey, si imekaa jameni. 21, 22, 23, 24 guy. No, so it will be like, it's like 3 years now and some few months. Oh God. Shuka sasa babu, tubariki pia sisi na simu zingine. Sidia guys, or even a camera, or a nice camera. Yeah, badala ya simu, by the way. Sidia. But one thing, simu yangu it's been having issue. Once a phone starts getting old, inaanzanga kuwa na my issues. But I'm looking forward to either buying a new camera kabisa, ama tu simu wenye at least iko, advanced somehow. But sasa hizi, because this is what I have to like make it. So today what I have to do is, I've been postponing a lot. Yes. Tabu watching na utulie wewe. What's funny? I've been thinking of making it repair, I mean, so it has a lot of issues. Sijui speaker, sijui inaitwa nini. The front camera has not been working for like 2 months now. So nafikiria kuiunda so that it can be easier for me to notice kama inafanya kazi. Yes. Sawa. Guys, it keeps interrupting me. Baba, si watch uko peke yako. So I'm thinking of kwenda kuimake. Niunda at least the front camera juu ilishaharibika. It needs like a repair kabisa, sio story na settings hata. So that's what I'm thinking of doing today. And jana hata sikuwaonyesha, I went and did some little shopping for the month. Kwa sababu the month is quite long, July, and I didn't unbox with you guys. Next time I will. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Alafu kitu ingine guys, let me show you. Guys, This is what happened. Angalieni tu. Even kitu yenye hata inafanya like I really have to go out and kuitengeneza. I came to realize that hii kitu ya token you cannot share it. You can't share something ya token. Ama hata mumeona I will blur it actually.
Okay.
You cannot share. And you know what this boy did? Ashaharibu. And the way I hear it is millions to like purchase this thing. So we are in trouble. So again I have to go and like repair it. Sababu tena tokens ikiisha, what are we going to do? We cannot even tell the like ati kitu imeharibika because repairing it ni tu niende kwa fundi before even the token gets over. So guys, that is what I have for today. Going to the fundi and repairing my phone. Yeah guys, I keep on saying sitting, acha tufungue hizi tu cookies. Mas, you don't nini kwa usilalie la pivo songa. Rabu tufungue hizi vitu, I got them yesterday. Let's open this before I prepare and go out. Juu hata hatujui kama token inaisha anytime. Naona imepakwa mavitu. Inaitwa Milk Bakers. Nani amekula mkate yao by the way, ni tamu. Milk Bakers. Smells. Alafu guys, my son has, I don't know, is it protein allergy? Because imagine ameishi kukua sawa from akiwa kadogo until now venye ako sijui 2 years and something, ati anaanza kupata tu allergy tu maziwa. Like really guys, nani anaweza kujua shida? What's the problem? He likes anajikuna sana baba. Hebu tuanje hii kitu. Hii ni chocolate.
Nyamia.
Na wewe ulikatazwa vitu sugary. You don't listen.
Nyamia. Nyamia.
Say thank you. Hizi ni gani hizi zina bila mi.
Chica. That's it.
Na tunajua tunafaa tutoke sasa hivi. Niturudi mapema. Nisaidie.
Okay.
So guys, ni hata situli kwa video sijui mbona. I think I love cookie bila chocolate. This is how it looks. Mnana? Niache nini? Thank you. Okay. So guys, that's it. Nataka ni prepare. I go out when it's still early. Do everything. I don't even know how much it will cost me kutengeneza ile stuff. Ile kitu kia token because nasikianga hata kuinunua peke yake. Ni shamba. Sijui I don't know the exact price, but all I know is that it's a lot of money, like to have them once, especially kama unajijua. Anyway guys, tutafika tu. Mas, I want us to go and remove your nini? Uki baby wangu anajikuna just because of milk. How do we avoid milk kwa chai kwa nini? This thing is not nice. Na hii chocolate. Guys, so see you later. I don't know if I'll film anything, but I will try as much as possible because the phone will be on repair. But once it's done, we'll be back guys. Ndio ikuwe easy hata at least kumonitor my video if it's recording or not. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. I love you, and don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. Guys, this is the glimpse of my ring light and also the phone holder. Hii ni ile ya I got the 12 inch. Yeah. For now this is what I will be using as I upgrade. Yeah. Hiyo ndio inanisaidia kwa sasa. Na tukisaidiwa pia na huyo kijana mnaona hapo. Yeah. So guys, that's it. I'm grateful. Guys, nimekaa sana, nimekawia but yeah, I'm almost done. Whatever you're doing, Miles, I don't like it. Mama. Yeah, we're about to leave. Bye-bye. Simbali. Bye-bye. Okay. Yeah. Hii ndio outfit. Guys, I'm taking forever. Wallahi. Nywele. Don't think I want anything yenye distract. Hata hii kamera inakaa aje sasa. Is it even focusing on me, guys? Miles, unajiona? Would have been in the mirror at least. Miles, said everybody. You. By then nilipenda hii necklace sana. I think I've not like plaited this number before. Sijui ndio namba gani hiyo. Miles, saidia kio. This boy, you have to borrow everything from him, surely. Nisaidia baba. I think I'm done. Alafu napenda studs na singa. Leon keeps on taking them from me. Akienda kwa masikio anaing'oa na kuipoteza. So I really have problems here. Na ni mimi mwenyewe nilijiletea. So guys, that is the final look. Acha niende sasa. I'm actually getting late and I'm running out of time. Tadhani kuna penye muhimu naenda wapi? But it's important. So it is important. So I think yenyewe I just want imetulia huku juu. Yeah, sitaki nisumbue.
Yetu sasa ndo inapamba mama. Yetu sasa ndo inapamba daddy. The way you make me feel. What a love, what a love, what a love. You're my forever. Didn't mean to fall in love. Mean to fall in love, baby. Nimekupenda.
Dear God, it's me again. I have come to you with a heart of worship.
Ningeteseka dadi, umenitoa mbali. Kama sio wewe awe, mimi ningekuwa wapi?
Napiga makoti mbele zako baba yangu, nainua mikono kwa ishara ya kusujudu.
Yale baba umenifanyia, acha nikuite shamba. Nimekuja nikupende leo, Jehova Shama.
Guys, ndio niko hapa na Leona na kujichafua aje kwanza. Tuweza dhania sijui mtarusi ya watima. Mimi si wewe unarukaruka. Hey guys, najua nimekawia. Okay, went, prepared the whatever I was going to do, but I did not manage to make my front cameras. Sikupata, go to place because sikupata. Mpaka iendelee zaidi, so that it can be installed afresh. So guys, it's time for dinner and I want to go and start cooking. Actually, it's already late. But if you have watched up to here, thank you so much. And please consider subscribing if you are new. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Also, tell your friends or rather your families what take me to 1K. And if you have watched back, I have to say I love you so much. And thank you for watching and sticking around. See you in the next video.